What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in today. My name is Chase. Today we're going to be doing an install video of a forged carbon fiber steering wheel for the 10th gen Civic. I record a video on both my camera and my GoPro. The camera footage, I switched to a mirrorless camera, and depending on the lens that you use, for focusing, one of them is silent, and the other one you can hear the focus motor moving in the lens. So the video that I captured on my camera, I ended up just chopping that idea because you could hear the focus motors in the lens. So now I'm using a lens that has a silent focus motor, but I'm just going to have GoPro footage only. Unfortunately, I did have a lot of footage on my actual camera of me taking the steering wheel apart, installing the plastic components, the cruise control, volume control, things like that. Don't mind my garage, it is a complete mess right now. I am trying to get everything organized. I have to make an install video for these last fit floor mat videos coming soon. I've been working on my ruckus recently, got it repainted. So it's painted Millennium Jade Green and Nissan color. So gotta do a valve adjustment on those. So unfortunately my garage is a mess. I got a HKS Legamax exhaust right there. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much. I have been trying to buy a house, and that's been a pretty busy process with inspections and going over closing costs, negotiating. It is very brutal, I will say. I hope you guys enjoy the GoPro POV footage. I did try to do the best I could as far as saying what size bolt you need, and then trying to get the angle on the GoPro camera that you could see it properly. And I'll try to end it with some cinematic clips if I can. I have my Ronin gimbal charging right now, so I'll see if I can get some cinematic clips for you guys. Thank you for your patience. Peace. Do a little unboxing for you guys.
I'm not invisible to you. Do my eyes speak true? My soul's so in touch with yours tonight. Won't let my head take flight.
We're first going to start by disconnecting the negative terminal on the battery. You're going to need to use T30 Torx bits in here. Looks like they put some Loctite on these threads. So this airbag part will just come right out, but you got to be careful. This is the airbag. So make sure you set this aside. So that's the ground up here. You got to be careful with that. And these are the airbag, and they're actually color coordinated. So I was able to take the connectors out of the airbag, and these are color coordinated, so you have green and gray. Green and gray. This is your ground. Ground goes up here. I have to get an M10 to take this out. Got an M10. Is this necessary? Probably not. May have to break out an impact gun. I have to get a 1/2 inch impact. Golly. That thing is on there. Golly. Alright guys, we were finally able to get this nut off, and this was a pain. And it was an M10. There's a tab right here. You want to remove this one? If I can get it. Got it? Alright, here's the stock wheel. There's the OEM wheel. So you got 4 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see the little black marks. And there's little tick marks on the steering wheel. You have to make sure those match up perfect. And then the forum said torque it down to 36 foot-pounds. So shouldn't have got a flex head. Should have stuck with the non-flex head. Just a longer handle. Alright. I got a torque wrench right here. 36 foot-pounds. Let's see. 36. I'm just gonna go up to 40 for safe measures. Alright, let's hope I have the strength to do this. So after reviewing footage, it actually turns out that both my GoPro and my camera, both the batteries died before I was able to complete the install. I was able to capture me torquing down the steering wheel bolt, but the only thing I wasn't able to capture was me putting the airbag back into place and then just putting in the torque screws on the side. Other than that, I was able to get most of the footage as far as the steering wheel install goes. Hopefully you guys enjoy these cinematic clips I got of the steering wheel. Thanks.
Tesla, partner ex-wrestler, he dates for Cheska, partner ex-wrestler.